In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and add watermark to Canva video. So the first step is to simply go to Canva. Now I'm going to show you how to create a video, but if you want, you can skip this part. So we're going to have to simply search for video and select this one. And then we're gonna create a blank video, and now here we can simply go and upload our own video. So we can simply go to uploads on the left side, and here simply click on upload files, and then you can select your videos from your computer. Now I'm gonna use some templates from here, so I'm gonna use this one here. I'm gonna add, as you can see, we have this 5 seconds video. Now let's say we want to add a watermark to it. So what we're gonna have to do is simply click on text on the left side and then click on add a text box. And here you can add your name or your business name. So I'm gonna type in guide, and then I'm gonna double click on the text to select the entire text. And now we can simply click here on this name, and from here we can simply change the font. So as you can see, we have a lot of fonts to choose from. Now here we have different settings to your text. If you want, you can change the text color. I suggest you to select white. Now what we're gonna have to do is simply make this bigger, and you can basically make it as big as you want, and you can place it wherever you want on the screen. So I'm gonna place it right here. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply go on and click on this button here at the top and change the transparency. So you can simply scale it down to 10, and as you can see, this will be our watermark. Now here at the bottom, if you see, we have the text. So if you want, you can make this shorter, or if you want, you can drag it and make it the entire video long. And now we have our watermark. Now keep in mind that you can add logos if you want, so you can upload them here on the upload side, or you can simply go to elements and simply add whatever you want. So I'm gonna add this one here, but make sure to change the transparency like this. Now we can simply save the video and share it wherever we want with whoever we want. So basically that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.